Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about vitamin E capsule, the side effects and the benefits. I will be talking about both the things, and let me ask you one question. Do you consume vitamin E capsule? Means do you have this capsule orally? Then you should watch this video. We talk about this capsule. This is EVION 400, which you will get easily in your close by medicine shop. One strip is having, I think, 10 capsules, and the price of this one strip is 24.58, around 25 rupees you will get one strip. And these capsules are fat soluble, and the best part of this capsule is that this is the cheapest, I think, antioxidant that you will ever get. Now guys, do you know how much vitamin E capsule should a healthy person have every day? It is 15 mg. And if you are having this capsule on a daily basis, then you might have noticed it is of 400 mg. That means your body requirement is 15 mg, but every day you are having this 400 mg. Now, excessive amount of vitamin E in your body can cause blurred vision, means you will not be able to see properly. This is really very serious. Then it can cause dizziness. Then it can cause weakness. You might feel weak every day, and you might not know why you're feeling weak, because you are having vitamin E, and you might think it might not even cross your mind that taking off vitamin E can cause you tiredness or can give you dizziness. So this is it, because and if you're having any multivitamin, don't ever take vitamin E on your own, because that multivitamin is having vitamin E also. The separately it's not needed to take vitamin E. That I should mention. I'm just keeping on forgetting. What are the things I was telling? Yes, can give you excessive bleeding. I don't know, but I just came across this. It can give you, and I got this information from a valuable source, So it can give you excessive bleeding also, and dizziness, drowsiness. And I got scared literally when I saw that it can give you blurred vision. So many things are there, guys. I just forgot. I'm just yes, I have written everything. And it can give you rashes also. I have seen on my own when I never orally consumed this vitamin E without doctor permissions, but when I applied it too much, I didn't know at first. Few months ago, when I applied it too much, I got rashes on my face, and I came to know, I understood later on that it happened because I took the full capsule. It is not like that. You should not use the full capsule on your face. How to use it, I will be talking about it later on. Consume vitamin E capsule every day, because it is not needed, but whatever you are eating from there, you will be getting that 15 mg. And yes, now let's talk about the part which I know I want to talk about the most, the benefits of vitamin E. So guys, if you want healthy hair, you can mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and with that 1 capsule in it, mix it well and apply on your hair to get healthy hair. If you have dry chapped lips, you can just pierce 1 vitamin E capsule with 1 tablespoon of honey, mix it well, apply on your lips, and if possible, then you keep it overnight. Go to sleep if it is possible for you, and get up and wash it off, and day by day, by doing this, you will get rid of your chapped lips. Now if you have acne scars, any scar on your face, you can just put little bit of vitamin E in those places. Now you can apply this vitamin E with every day with your moisturizer, but how to apply it, you need to know. You just can't put the whole in the full capsule with your moisturizer. It is very thick. This vitamin E oil is really thick. So what you have to do, you have to take your normal moisturizer and pierce the capsule and take only 2 drops of oil and then moisturize your body. Now let me tell you one more thing which is really important. It is not that in the morning, in the evening, in the night, every time you will be putting vitamin E on your skin, on your hair, to have that glow on your face, to have healthy hair. It is just not right, guys. Use it once a day, and I believe the perfect time is at the night time. And be careful that if you are just using something which is already having vitamin E in it and you are using again a vitamin E from outside, I think it might react in a different way. So be careful. YouTube also, there is not much about the side effects of vitamin E. So while making this video, I really felt good because whatever knowledge I gathered about this vitamin E capsule, I was just trying to share that, and sharing is caring, I always say, and I felt really happy. I don't know whether you have liked this video or not, but if you have liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Do share this video because it is informative and is going to help your friends and families, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Come back to my channel for more and more interesting videos, and stay happy, stay blessed. Tata, take care.